Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the GAINWARD 12GB version of GeForce RTX 3080 with high cooling triple fan cooler. So friend, GAINWARD's graphics card GeForce RTX 3080 12GB Phonics is equipped with GeForce RTX 3080 12GB GDDR6X version, and friend, the VGA cooler is an original triple fan cooler that features an IPX5X complete 2-wall bearing fan and die-cast backplate, and friend, additionally it features a semi-fanless mode called 0 RPM fan which disables fan rotation when the GPU temperature falls below 60 degree. And friend, the primary specification include a boost clock of 1710 MHz, memory speed of 19 Gbps, memory burst width of 384 bit, memory bandwidth of 192 GB per second, and friend, the output interface include HDMI 2.1x1, DisplayPort 1.4x3 and HDMI 2.1x1, and friend, the burst interface is PCI Express 4.0x16. The auxiliary power connector is 8-pin-x2. The card dimensions are 294 mm long, 112 mm wide, and 2.7 slot thick. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.